Hey friends, if you encounter this error, Windows 11 blue screen error inaccessible device, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update drivers and Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab, click on advanced options, select optional updates and you will can install all the optional updates. Then go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane to install all updates. And I'll tell you that mostly in 80% cases these three solutions will not work, so you will have to reset Windows. Right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab, scroll down to recovery in the right pane, select reset PC, select remove everything, select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.